Let's graph and find the properties of a circle centered at x equals -2 and y equals -12, with radius 150.
The center is the anchor point of the circle.
The center is at x equals -2, y equals -12.
The radius is the distance from the center to the circle. Step out by the radius, right, left, up, and down. These 4 points sit on the circle. A circle equation uses center shifts on the left, radius squared on the right.
The signs come from subtracting the center coordinates, x plus 2, and y plus 12.
The radius is 150, so the right side is 150 squared, which is 22,500. Now we derive the related properties from the radius. The diameter is 2 radii across, 2 times 150 equals 300. The circumference is 2 pi r, 2 times pi times 150 equals 300 pi.
The area is pi r squared, pi times 150 squared equals 22500 pi.
So this circle is described by its center and radius.